Hi, everybody. My name is Kurt Stubbs. I currently live in Pickerington, Ohio, which is a suburb of Columbus, Ohio. My wife Dana and I just had a newborn, a son, Hudson James. He is 10 weeks old, so we're really enjoying that. I'm currently enrolled in the Masters of Instructional Technology program. My undergrad was in middle childhood education with a concentration on math and social studies 4 through 9. I currently teach 7th grade math and also advanced 7th grade math at Ridgeview STEM Junior High, that is in the Pickerington Central School District. So I've been doing that for 7 years now. I just completed my 7th year at Pickerington. As far as my knowledge of hypertext and hypermedia goes, I was obviously more familiar with the term hypertext. I know that is text where you can create hyperlinks to just connect to other text resources throughout the World Wide Web. I did find two interesting videos, two Powtoons that were done by Multimedia Systems. And these were very helpful informational videos. It compared the difference between hypermedia and hypertext. And it said by definition that hypermedia was non-linear medium of information, which includes graphics, audio, plain text, and hyperlinks. This can be learner control, a wide range of navigation routes, and a variety of media can be used. Those are some of the benefits. Hypermedia helps to gain the learner's attention. It also provides learner feedback and recalls on the learner's prior knowledge. Now, hypertext, like I said, refers to just the applications with links that take you to other text and information. Those can be three different types of static, dynamic, and stretch text. So basically, as a math teacher, I looked at it in this way. I thought this was a very helpful way to look at it. Hypertext is just a subset of hypermedia. So I got my information watching those two Powtoon videos by Multimedia Source or Multimedia System. They're very helpful. I'd highly encourage you to take a look at those. They get straight to the point and they're pretty engaging as well. So other than that, I can't wait to get started with this class and look forward to learning from each and every one of you and providing each other feedback and as we grow together. Have a good day.